So, for problem 6 number 3, again, we are asked to compute for the goodwill. Medyo marami lang siyang extrang, mga additional information. So, how do we solve for the goodwill for problem 6 number 3? So, the consideration transferred, 200 shares na ang fair value ay 500. So, you multiply. So, the consideration transferred is 1 million. So, wala tayong non-controlling interest kasi 100% yung binili. So, we will go straight to comparing 1 million to the fair value of net identifiable assets. So, 2 million 8 na assets less 1 million 6 na liabilities. So, 1 million 2. So, this will result to a gain on bargain purchase, 200,000. So, that is our answer, 200,000. Now, so marami nga siyang mga pinag-a-add dyan. So, bakit hindi natin isinama sa computation? So, first, yung 40,000 na professional fee is recognized as expense. So, hindi siya kasama sa consideration transfer. Yung stock issuance cost is also not part of the consideration, no? It will be treated as a deduction from the share premium, no? Na nag-arise dun sa business combination. Pero, it will not be considered as part of the consideration transfer. Yung 20,000 estimated cost, I think this is the estimated cost for the reduction of the activity of Wood, no, yung subsidiary. So, ito ay pa lang, estimated cost. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya liability as of the date of business combination, no? Ano pa lang siya, estimate, no? Wala pang liability si Wood para sa reduction ng activity niya, no? Hindi pa existing ng liability. So, hindi siya isasama sa computation ng fair value of net identifiable asset. This will be a cost post-combination transaction. Yung 80,000 expected loss is not recognized, no? Hindi po tayo nagre-recognize ng expected losses, no? Nire-recognize lang natin siya kapag nangyari na talaga. So, in short, yung ang dami-dami niyang inadyan, all of those are not included in the computation of the goodwill or gain on bargain purchase. So, our answer is 200,000.